So Tracy, what made you want to become a Beachbody coach?
Well, actually, the decision I made to become a Beachbody coach is probably the best decision that I ever made. When I was first approached about coaching, I was pretty hesitant about it just because I didn't understand the business, and I hate selling stuff. I don't like selling stuff to people. I'm not a salesperson at all, and I felt that I was really busy and that I wouldn't have enough time to do it. So initially when I was approached about coaching, I said, no, I can't do it right now. But then I tried Shakeology and loved it. And after that, I looked into more of the products and the programs that they offer, and I saw and experienced myself how successful they were and how good they were, that they actually worked. And I found after talking to some other coaches that coaching is not about selling products. You don't have to be a fitness expert or in like excellent shape to be a coach. It's more about sharing your story and coming alongside other people and supporting and motivating them in their journey to reaching their fitness goals. And that is actually what caught my interest about being a coach. And I had the opportunity a couple months ago to go to Beachbody's Summit Conference, which is where coaches from all over the country come together. And I met so many amazing people and heard so many amazing stories. I just left there feeling completely inspired and truly proud to be part of a company that is impacting so many people's lives for good. And that is why I became a Beachbody coach. And I love it. I love it.